To build this mock, I had to disassemble some of my previous builds and sets alike, to get as many tan and dark tan bricks as possible. But you will later on see, still that wasn't enough. At first, I really wanted to build a real Sphinx, but I'm not great at building Lego, so this is what I ended up with. In my opinion, that's how a real Sphinx looked like not that long ago. Trust me, I'm an archaeologist. But let's get serious for a second. Because after you add stuff like information board and some minifigs, you'll see how big this mock is. When building this, I tried to use the most common pieces, like bricks, plates, and some slopes. I know it's all nice and cute, but there is something you can't see at first glance. Like I said in the beginning, after dismantling my sets and other mocks, I still didn't have enough pieces. I had barely enough bricks to finish the front and body of the Sphinx. Although, you can still see the size difference between front and hind legs. Anyway, let's see up close how some of the face features are built, like ears and eyes, where I used 1x1 round bricks and plates. Here's how I built the mouth. Now you know how easy it is to build your own Lego Sphinx. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.